If you want to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them, you can easily use the archive feature. Just open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Find the photo you want to hide and tap on it. Then, click the three dots Say in the top right corner of the photo to access options. From the drop-down menu, select Archive. This will remove the photo from your public profile while keeping it stored safely in your account. To view or restore your archived photos, go back to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines, the hamburger icon in the top right corner. From there, select Archive, and then choose Posts Archive at the top to see all your archived photos. If you want to restore any of them, just tap on the photo, click the three dots again, and select Show on Profile. This method lets you declutter your profile while keeping your photos safe, along with all the likes and comments they received. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.